I used to love these things. Where is my floppy drive?
I bought this cute little ornamental Macintosh on Amazon for $25.99. It's not a bad price for a little bit of fun nostalgia. It has an internal battery and charges via USB-C. Here's the box. I've already applied the stickers. It accurately recreates what the old Macintosh was like. It's an alarm clock, but the screen looked so much like a CRT. It's amazing. You can dim the screen or turn off the backlight to save battery. And it looked best with the backlight. There's dimmer control under the screen. And the backlight button is on the top.